Okay, so with this introduction, I want to start by explaining the operating system that I'm using is called Ubuntu, and its version is 22.4. Now, with this particular desktop or operating system right here, we're not going to do anything. What we're going to do is we're going to come over here. This is called VirtualBox. VirtualBox allows me to run an operating system within an operating system. I'm going to do a video on how to install this and how to load an operating system to run within it. If you want to know the technical term of this, it's called hypervisor software. So what I'm going to do is we have Kali Linux right here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to open that up. And I'll go ahead and log in. Now, Kali Linux is used in the offensive security industry. It's also used by malicious actors. It's also used by pretty much every law enforcement alphabet soup that you could think of, mostly the NSA and the CIA and of course the FBI. And I imagine, lesser, or not lesser, but various state agencies probably use it as well. Because when we come over here to the file menu, if you notice, we're going to see things that you normally don't see in an operating system, namely information gathering, vulnerability assessment, web application animals, database assessment, password attacks, wireless attacks, reverse engineering, exploitation tools, sniffing and spoofing, post exploitation, forensics, reporting tools, social engineering, and Kali and OffSec links. Now, a quick word on that. Kali is maintained by Kali.org. If we come over here, if we open up this browser real quick, it's going to bring us to their homepage, and you can download it here. There's a blog, there's documentation, there's a community, there's courses. This is the one that I took right here. Pen 200 PWK is not a beginner's class. It's very advanced, and if you don't have previous network experience, I would suggest that you don't take this. Okay, there's developers about, and there's more or less help tools. There's a lot of useful thing. These are all the tools for Kali right here. There's quite a few of them. You can download them as you want. This right here is a database of known exploits, and an exploit is an attack. Attacks that have at one point in time been successful, and it tells you the type and the platform, so it's pretty interesting. This is the Offset website. Like I said, this is not beginners. And these are companies that employ graduates, I guess. So, anyways, let's get back to what we were doing. Okay, so we're doing an introduction into Recon. So, once we load our Kali Linux operating system into our virtual machine, the first thing, because we're starting with reconnaissance, so we're going to come over here to information gathering. These are all the apps right here, and it's broken down. Network and port scanners, we're going to be using Nmap. OSINT analysts, we're going to be using Maltego and Spiderfoot. And the harvester, we're going to be using Recon NG. So there is your brief introduction. The following videos are going to be tutorials on how to use them. But before we can go into that, we're going to do a brief overview of the CLI, the command line interface. So I look forward to seeing you into the next video. I hope this sparked your curiosity, and if you enjoyed it, let me know. If you didn't enjoy it, let me know. That's pretty cool either way. So here we go. That's it. I will see you later.